Okay, so we have two units that are, these are the two bathroom windows right here, back to back. Toilets, lav, showers. And the vanities keep backing up in both of their units. And I have once before tried to snake the vanities, but the double fixture fitting is old cast iron, and it's literally impossible to get the snake to go down. As a matter of fact, we did a little remodel. I installed a new vanity or something, I can't remember, but I had the wall open and I still couldn't get the snake to go down. There's no pipe on the drain, nothing. It was just open. So the units affected are this one and this one.
Mine has backed up a few times too.
It has backed up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just so you know.
Yeah. And then there's nobody in here, right? Okay. So what I'm going to try to do here is, no, this isn't going to work because that's the kitchen vent. That's the kitchen vent, and the bathrooms are being vented on that 4-inch right there. Aggregate venting, UPC. That's, I should have known that before I even stuck my head up in here. There would be 4-inch. Yeah, okay, well. All right, well, I'll just have to open up a wall and put a cleanout. So it's likely you got the double fixture fittings. It comes up right here. I bet you if I open the wall somewhere right here, there'd be a horizontal vent tying into the stack. Guarantee it. But we've already done so much work over here. I'm going to do it next door if I do go that route. So it's probably, I guess it could be in line with that. It's going to be somewhere right here, right? It's got to be. It's literally 6 inches off of this. Just guessed. I guess I should have measured and done 6 inches and started down here, but that's tough to get to. I can probably get it though. Zip, test T on its side, and this 90's right here. Well, what are you gonna do? I tried my best. Tight fit. Got it. A little Y. Can't do an access panel. So just have them drywall around this and that. And then you'll have a Y. Snake it. Just goes like this, 90s down. Put a little pipe dope on there, and that's it. Dude, I really feel good about that job. Before that guy moved in, we had the wall open. So we were having issues with the angle stops. And I tried to snake it. When we had the wall open, there was nothing on the drain. There was no trap arm. It was just wide open. And dude, I'm telling you, I used multiple snakes. I tried to get that freaking snake to go down that double fixture fitting. I'm telling you, I was there for 45 minutes to an hour just trying to get that stupid snake to go down. I couldn't get it. I got so angry, I just left. I said, screw it. Screw it. It wasn't so bad at the time. It was just slow draining, but as of today, the tenant said that when the girl next door uses her sink, that it backs up into his sink, and she said the same. So I had to do that. But now it's super easy to snake. No problems at all. Goes straight down. So I am so glad about that, because anytime that backs up, I know exactly what to do. No issues. So yeah, I used to date a girl that lived in that building right there.
Right onto Washington Boulevard.
She lived right there in that top unit right there. Her name, I probably shouldn't say it, but she was, or not was, but she is from Brazil. From
Continue on Washington Boulevard for half a mile.
She's from a very wealthy family in Brazil. And she was all right. She didn't really take care of herself that well. I tried to encourage her to, like, hey, let's go exercise, you know. But it just didn't really work out. She's vegan too, but
In a quarter mile,
she wasn't
turn
fat.
left onto the I-10
She wasn't
east
fat at
road to
all.
Los Angeles.
Just a bit, it's kind of flabby, you know. But pretty face. She had a pretty face. But kind of stuck up from her upbringing. She said her dad used to roll around in Brazil in Lamborghinis and stuff, and that they had to live in a gated house because
Turn left onto the I-10 East ramp.
people would try to follow him in. I guess they had multiple gates or something like that, and they had security. It's pretty crazy. She was from Santos, which is, I think, an hour and a half
In
from
1,000 feet, merge onto I-10 East.
Sao Paulo, however you say it. It's not Sao, it's like there's an N in it. It's like Sao Paulo. All right, later.